Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great in this pandemic. Today I, Lavanya of class 11th A Medical from Government Girls Senior Secondary Smart School Mall Road is going to talk about the word backup. Backup is a process of copying our important data that is stored on an alternative location so that it can be recovered if deleted or it becomes corrupted. Depending on how often the data changes, how valuable it is, and how long it takes to backup determines how often to backup. There are many options for backup, but not all provide the same level of protection or ease of use. Some are good for security but make recovering files a hassle, while others are easy to use but not secure enough. We can have some example of backup methods as under. First, external hard drive. It is popular for computer backup because they are portable, easy to connect to your laptop or PC. Second, thumb or USB drive. These are extreme portable due to their small size. They are even easier to connect to your computer than external hard drive. Third, cloud backup. It is a software-based solution that automates the backup process of your valuable data over network storage. This facility is being provided by several service providers. Let me tell you an interesting fact. 31st of March is World Backup Day. On this day, we remind all PC users to take a copy of the data they care about. Thank you and have a very nice day.
Salutations, you are watching Simran from Government Girls Senior Secondary Smart School Mall Road and I am studying in +1 Medical. Well, this video is actually about a computer topic named soft copy. Soft copy of a document is an electronic version that can be created, edited and deleted. It can also be deleted if soft copy of a document is created. The term soft copy is most often used in contrast to hard copy, which is the printed version of a document. The downside to using soft copy is that it requires a software and a computer to open and can be accidentally deleted. Of course, some people have so many papers on their desk, a soft copy may be less likely to misplace or disappear. We can find our soft copy easily as compared to hard copy. Thanks for watching.
Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. This is Amanpreet Kaur from Standard 11 Government Girls Senior Secondary Smart School. I welcome you all in today's session. The word of the day is website. Do you know what is website? If no, it's okay. I am here to tell you that what is website. A website is a collection of publicly accessible, interlinked web pages that share a single domain name. Website can be created and maintained by an individual, group, business or organization to serve the variety of purposes. Each page is a collection of related materials that contain images and it may also include audio, video and other media. We can have URL, that is Uniform Resource Locator of website of Punjab Education Board. From the first page, you can get access to any of our web page that is contained by an website. So now there is a question that will everybody is able to make their own websites? The answer is yes, you can make your own websites. The internet has billions of websites that are created by different people. Each website can be classified into two types. The first one is static websites and the second one is dynamic website.
Hello, good morning everybody. My name is Amanpreet Kaur and I am a student of Government Girls Senior Secondary Smart School Mall Road in Amritsar. I read in 12th standard. Today I am here to tell you some interesting word about computer and my today word is email. Like we know that email is also known as electronic mail. It is a message distribution electronic means from one computer user to another computer user by using via network. It is a method of exchanging message between people using electronic device. We can message anybody in any part of the world by using electronic device by using the email address. Email use multiple protocols like TCP/IP, SUT. Like when we send email to our friend, It's called friend email. Like we chat with our friends, like with family. It's called friend email. And when we use email to socialize something, to give information about something, it's called social email. And email everybody today and have a nice day.
Greetings everyone. Today I, Bharat from grade 12, studying in Government Girls Senior Secondary Smart School, Marodam this year, will explain word of the day, CAPTCHA. CAPTCHA stands for the Completely Automated Public Turing Test to tell computers and humans apart. CAPTCHAs are tools that you can use to differentiate between real users and automated artificial users such as bots. CAPTCHAs provide challenges that are difficult for computers to perform but relatively easy for humans. For example, identifying stretched letters or numbers or clicking in a specific area. CAPTCHAs were invented block spam-based software from posting comments on pages or purchasing XX items at once. The most common form of CAPTCHA is an image with several distorted letters. It is also common to use form variety of image where you need to select as Yahoo, Mail or Gmail where people can create free accounts. CAPTCHA prevents spammers from using bots to create a bulk of spam emails accounts. Interesting facts. The first use of CAPTCHA was in the Kazakh Legend test in 2000. This CAPTCHA was used to protect sign-up page from spammers. My heart is thanks to all for listening to me. Do take care of your health in this tough times and keep learning, keep growing. Thank you. Have a great day.
Respected platform teachers and all my dear fellow students, myself and for 7th B study in Government Girls Senior Secondary Smart School, Moldodam Resort. My today's topic is word of the day is website. So let's talk about website. A website is a collection of publicly accessible interlink web pages that share a single domain name. Website can be created and maintained by an individual group, business or organization to serve a variety of purposes. Each web page is a collection of related material that consists text, images and may also include video, audio or other media. The internet consists of billions of websites created by billions of different people. You can even create your own website or blog on the internet. Each website can be classified as following type. First was static website. This type of website remains non-interactive and offers very limited functionality. Second was dynamic website. This type of website offers user to interact and perform several operations on the website. Interesting fact, the first website was built at CERN by Tim Berners-Lee and launched on August 6, 1991. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone. I am Kiran, studying in Government Girls Senior Secondary Smart School, Maldodam, Amritsar. Today I am going to speak on the word encryption. So let's get started. Encryption is a method in which the actual information is converted into a security code that hides the actual meaning of the information. This method is followed to ensure that transmission be safe and secure. Whenever we transmit any information over a network of computer, the threat of stealing the data always exists. To ensure the safety and security of data, we follow method of encryption and decryption. In the encryption method, the actual information to be transmitted is converted into a security form using a specific key. This secret form of data is known as ciphertext. This ciphertext is transmitted over the network. If any authorized person or a group steals this ciphertext, then it is useless for them due to the lack of the secret key. And when the same ciphertext reaches the desired destination, then the secret key is used to convert the ciphertext into the text data. This method is very useful for the transmission of our sensitive data. Thank you all and have a great day.